beautiful garden. I found a place where the sunlight grows, where every seed remembers how to show. Colors bloom where the shadows fade. Life begins in the love we've made. Every thorn taught me how to heal. Now I see the truth, I know what's real. You are my beautiful garden, where the wild roses never harden. Every dream takes root, every hope is true. In this beautiful garden I found with you. Through the storm